Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have this is I guess just my new thing now when I say what we have. We have a Natalie Attired bag today. It's my third one. I've really been liking them. It's kind of creeping up to like second, maybe second best in my opinion. Stitch Fix is of course always number one. But if you haven't tried Natalie Attired and you'd like to, I'm gonna leave the description down below and a referral link if you'd like to try Natalie Attired. So yeah, I think, I don't know if you get anything off your first Natalie Attired or not. I think you do. You might get like $10. I don't know. It'll be in the description below. I'm really not sure. Don't quote me on it. So they send you 5 things. You send back what you don't want. They send you a mailer. And let's just get right into it. You don't get to peek at what they send you, unfortunately, because you know how I like to peek. They send you an invoice, and they send you a handwritten note, which if you watched my last video, I had some trouble with. Hi Rachel, I love your videos. Oh, hi, thank you. You are adorable. I hope you love what I curated for you. Enjoy, Renee. I got all your words this time, Renee. Sorry about last time. It was probably really very clear, but for some reason my brain was just not computing what it was. So, all right, let's go. Let's see. Oh, I kind of ripped the nice wrapping. I'm sorry. They send you the mailer so you can return things. All right, I'm gonna hold up my little unwrapped bundle. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to unwrap it. Make sure I got everything. Yep, I do. Okay, here we go. Here's our bundle. We got a lot of blues in there this time and a little bit of yellow. So she's cute. She's a cute bundle. Okay, so first thing is this yellow floral top. It's very lightweight. It's not exactly my style, I would say, but we're gonna try it on. It has a keyhole in the back. This looks like it's by Cotton Blue. Kind of like flowier sleeves there. Not exactly my style, but we're gonna try it. And then next we have, ooh, some tie-dye. Some blue tie-dye. This is like a blue box. It's very blue, which is making me look very red because I was out in the sun all day yesterday and I got a little sunburn. But this looks like it's like a blue dolman, tie-dye dolman, which I am liking. Super cute. I like that. It kind of tapers down on the bottom. And we have some navy. Hear that? Hear that static clean? Got some navy. Looks like it's just like a navy cardigan with some pockets. You know how I feel about navy, but you know, we're gonna try everything on. And I'm serious, this whole box is blue. We have it's like a nice kind of dressier tank top, maybe for work, with like a little V-necky there. It's kind of cute. It's almost like a snake print kind of thing. It's more like a grayish, bluish color. What's up with all the blue? Blue! And then last we have a pair of shorts. These look adorable with the frayed hem. I think that's super cute. They feel stretchy. They're by Royalty for Me, of course. And real pockets in the front and back. Of course, the front pockets are very short. The front pockets are very short, but real pockets in the back as well. Have some distressing. All right, let's get to this blue box. Okay, so first we have this shirt, which I think would be a nice top for work, but this part right here it like kind of opens a little bit, which I think would drive me a little nuts. I don't know. And I don't think I would wear this like just by itself to work. And then we have the shorts, which I think the tag did say mid-rise, and I'm a high-rise girl. It is like, my belly button's like right here. Ow. But I really like the frayed. And it's kind of like, if you can see, it's like shorter right here, and then it goes down a step for the back, so you have more back coverage. Real pockets. Real pockets, very short in the front, real pockets. I think the length is nice, but I want to like yank them up so they're higher. And let's put the cardigan on with this. Let's see. I'm so red looking. I'm sorry. The sun got me. All right, here's the cardigan. It feels nice. I think it's a little bit long on the sleeve for me, but it does feel nice if you are in need of a cardigan. Yeah, I think it's just like a little roomy maybe through here, but it has pockets and we love pockets. We love pockets. But yeah, it's gonna be a no. And I know a lot of you on my last Stitch Fix video were like, maybe it looks good on you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It's just not a color that I feel good in personally. I don't know why. It's not a power color for me. You know, there's some colors that just make you feel good, make you feel confident, and navy is not one of those colors for me. So yeah, but everything feels really nice. This feels really nice. This feels like it's a nice like weight. It's not too heavy. So you could totally wear it in an office setting in the summer and spring. But they're gonna be a no for me for right now. But let's try on the other two tops. Continuing our blue box theme, here is the blue tie-dye dolman, which I think is adorable. I really like how it has kind of like a scoop neck. A lot of the dolmans I have are more like a crew neck kind of thing. So I like the scoop neck there. I think it's not too bat-wingy. Let's see what it looks like tucked in into my mom jean shorts. Yeah, so I give a little waist definition, maybe a little more. There we go. I think that's cute. It's really lightweight too. I know I'm moving my arms like a bat, but what else are you supposed to do in these kinds of shirts? I think it's really cute. I think this one might be a keeper, depending on the price. So I like this one. It's really soft too. Here's the back. So it kind of goes down a little back there too. I like it. I think it's adorable, and I could wear it to work, which is always a bonus. You know, I like my clothes to do double duty. So, all right, let's try on the last top. Here's the last top. It is not my style. I feel like, Jill, if you watch this, did you get this top? Because it looked really good on you. I feel like you got a top like this. I think you did. Maybe this exact one. It looked really cute on you. But I don't think it's good with my skin tone. It's just not my style, I would say. But the texture is really nice. If you can see, it kind of has, is that like a Swiss dot kind of texture on it? And it's really soft, but that's just not for me. So one last little spinneroo. Here we go. Here it is untucked. Not for me. So let's go over the prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. And then you can see more of me unboxing things and stuff. Prices. So their invoices are a little confusing because, you know, there's no pictures. Even on the app when you go to check out, there's not pictures of this stuff. So we're gonna figure it out together. So this first top, where's the tag? This is by Cotton Blue. Drop shoulder V-neck top, $44 in the color blue. Everything is blue, denim, navy, light denim on my invoice for the colors. And then the tie-dye one, this one by Zenobi in blue, was $39. So I am gonna keep that one. So I'm gonna deduct my $20 styling fee that I already paid. So I just paid $19 more. So $39 for the top. So I'm gonna keep that. What's this one? Okay, sleeveless snake print top. This one here, $39. So the prices I found so far, this is my third Natalie Attired box. The prices I found are really good, I feel like. The long sleeve cardigan in navy, also $39. And these shorts, which They were comfy, but they're mid-rise and I want a little bit, you know, higher rise. The high-low frayed shorts, $49. So I think the prices are really great. That was the most expensive thing at $49. So the total would be $210. If you keep everything, you get 30% off, which, math. So it would be like around $150 maybe if I kept everything. Oh wait, it tells me here. If you keep the entire collection, your balance will be $133. But that is also with the styling fee deducted. So $153. And then you deduct that $20 styling fee. So yeah, it's one of the, I've really been liking these boxes. You get 20% off if you keep three or four items, and then 30% off if you keep everything. So if you guys want to try it, again, there's a description down below and my referral link. And I really, really like them. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.